This is definitely for the woman or man whose family is always coming home late for dinner, and you just got done spending a whole bunch of time making a nice warm meal, and you know by the time you're going to get home, it's going to be cold. So, this is actually what you need, and I found that it's something that's completely changed how dinner works in my house. I throw the plate on there with some foil. So, this is the Hikkio electric food warming mat, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You lay it flat on the counter, you set your temperature and your timer, and every dish on the mat stays warm until your family shows up and actually decides to eat dinner. It's 26 by 17 inches, so it can fit nicely on any counter, and it keeps everything nice and warm. This is also really good for like big arrangements where when you have like company over or like barbecues or even things like Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner. So you can just keep everything nice and warm on the counter, very easy to clean and roll up and store away. So if you're the kind of person that's always, yelling at the kids in the hubby for not coming home on time for dinner, this is definitely what you need in your kitchen. Make sure you go ahead and grab one today.